Abby, and yesterday I showed you how to do this makeup look, and today I'm going to show you how I do my hair. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. So you want to start with damp hair and a middle part, and then you'll take 2 strands from the top of your head and twist them away from your face twice, just to make sure it's secure. Then you'll add hair to the strand that's closest to your face and then twist away from your face, and keep on adding hair and twisting away and adding hair and twisting away until you have none left. When you get to the point where you have no more hair left to add, you just add all the hair into one big bunch, and then you twist it all until you reach the end, and you make a ponytail and just tie it off with a ponytail holder. And then you can either sleep on it or wait 5 to 6 hours for your hair to dry, and yeah, then the curls should be done. So it's the next morning and my hair is dry. I just put some coconut oil on the tips of my fingers so that when I take out the buns, there is no frizziness. Once you have your hair out of the buns, you'll just run your fingers through it, releasing the hair from the twist braid that we made last night. And yeah, just run your fingers through it. I run my fingers through it a little bit extra because I want my hair to be more wavy rather than curly. But if you want a really full curl, then you can just barely run your fingers through it. Then I just put some hairspray lightly on my hair, spraying it to make sure that it stays in place. So I'm doing a Dutch braid updo, or half updo. So you'll take 3 strands, and then instead of twisting your hair over like you do in a French braid, you'll twist your hair under. And I did that twice just to make sure it's secure. And then for strand closest to your head, you'll add hair from the top of your head and not to the other strands. So just to the one that's closest to your face. And you'll just want to continue that. If you guys would like a more in-depth tutorial on how to do a Dutch or French braid, just leave a comment down below because I could do that. So just leave a comment down below if you'd like to see that. So when you get to the other side of your forehead, you'll want to stop adding to the strand that you were before and start adding to the other strand using hair from your crown now. And you'll just want to twist your braid around to start forming it into the other direction. So you'll want to stop adding hair to the strand when you get about to the other side of your forehead again, and you'll just want to continue and finish off the braid, and when you're done, just add an elastic to secure it. Here I'm just pancaking my hair by pulling it apart just a little bit to make it look a little bit more full and thick, but if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. But I feel like it just adds a little bit extra to the hairstyle. After you're done pancaking your hair, you'll want to twist it to make sort of this bun, and you'll just hide the elastic underneath the braid, and then you'll just bobby pin it into place. is the finished hairstyle. If you guys like this video, please like. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. And if you'd like to watch my video yesterday on how I teach you how to do this makeup look that I'm wearing, then I'll leave it down in the description. And I'll see you later. Peace.